What's up guys, Tim Queen here, and today we're going to talk about how you can find the time to create both comments on other people's posts and how to create your own content all in one go. Now, a lot of times people ask me, hey Tim, if you want me to create content and really make quality content, make sure that I'm getting the engagement on all of my content pieces, how can I possibly have the time to engage with other people on LinkedIn? How can I comment on potential customers' posts? How can I communicate with other peers in the comment section? It's just too much work. Now, the solution to both of this is you have to use and reuse your comments that you're leaving on other people's posts and turn them into your own content. Now, what I like to do is, and that's something I really highly recommend to you as well, make a list of your top 100 people you would love to have as your customers and also potential peers you want to collaborate with. And then selectively unfollow every other person on LinkedIn. So whenever you're logging in, you will see your newsfeed will be clean and scrubbed, and there will be no distraction. You will just have those 100 people in your newsfeed. And then whenever someone is posting a piece of content, you will see it. Now, this is really important. Only leave a comment if you can turn your answer into a potential new piece of content. That's really important. You don't want to waste your time replying to someone if you cannot use that material for one of your own content pieces. Now, here's what I recommend. Always structure your comment in the same way how you structure your post. Always think about like an introduction. This is something to capture someone's attention. So you want to make sure that whenever you're leaving a comment, you're actually getting people to read it and to engage with it. So your goal is to get also like likes and replies to your comments. So the intro has to be really short and sweet, 1 to 3 sentences to get someone's attention and to tell them what you're gonna say. Give them like a short summary, like why is it worth their time to read your comment. Then the main body, this will be your main message, where you share a bit of information that is enhancing the post that they currently just read or watched. And then the call to action, this can be something to get a potential reader of your comment to engage with one of your other content pieces. For example, you could say, hey, I have an article about this, here's the link. Or I made a YouTube video about this, here's the link. Or if you're interested, you can just send me a direct message or email, and then you can use that as a call to action. So you're using your comment on other people's posts to get some of that traffic from that post over to you, either to your personal profile, someone sending a direct message or email, or someone visiting one of your articles or YouTube videos, or is opting in one of your opt-in forms. Then you take this piece of content that you just wrote and you copy and paste this into your library. You can do this in all kinds of ways. For example, you could create like an empty Google Docs document and just paste it inside. And then whenever you're starting to create your content, you just take out one of your content snippets that you used as comment on someone else's post, and you make this into its own dedicated content piece. You can extend this, write this longer, use all the 1,300 characters, or build a YouTube video or record a video based on its content. And then you can use that in combination with a text and post another piece of content. And there you see, you can create quality comments on other people's posts, and at the same time, you basically do 90% of the work to create another piece of content that you can use then to attract potential customers with your content marketing strategy on LinkedIn. Now, if you want to learn more about how you can generate high quality leads on LinkedIn, I highly recommend that you check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program, where I teach you over 6 hours of content, how to build an entire LinkedIn content strategy, how to build a LinkedIn sales funnel, and how to turn readers, viewers, and profile visitors into paying customers for your business. Also, if you want to get more videos like this, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.